get a lot of questions about this little greenhouse on the patio and what I use it for, how I stop it blowing away, how I stop the cover coming off and all of that sort of thing. So I thought I'd just quickly run through those things. So the first thing is the straps are broken, so I use a clip to hold everything in place. Second thing is they just blow away, and so I've got this batten. It's just a towel batten, just attaches to the back here, and it's screwed into the wall with these big screws here, and it clamps the frame. Let me show you. It clamps the frame really tight to the wall, and it goes through the grid. And so there's absolutely no way this is going to blow away. I mean, it's been through so many storms now, and it's a brilliant solution. It's so simple. And obviously, because we're puncturing the green plastic, we have just put some duct tape there over it just to strengthen it where the screw goes through. Probably not necessary, but why not do it? The sides flap all over the place, so I just have little clips on the sides here, and they just hold everything nice and snug in place. What do I have in it? Well, just everything that's hardening off basically, and everything I haven't got space for anywhere else. So some little kales in here, some sprouts in here. I did have some spinach there, just a few bits and pieces, and a few straggly bits and pieces basically. But I find it extremely useful, especially in autumn when I've got all my kind of autumn kales and autumn spinach and autumn lettuce and everything in here, just hardening off, ready to go out. So it's a lot easier to have this here than it is to have all these things on the allotment where they need a lot more water in the polytunnel, and I'm not always on the allotment every day, so I really like it, and I just like to be able to see everything here. Sometimes what I have down here is just like a little tray with soil in it and slug pellets, just to kind of attract the slugs into the tray and away from the plants. I do occasionally get some slugs in here. You'd have to kind of watch it, you know, lift these up, see if you've got any slugs in there. And now this one I have open almost all of the time, whenever I can get away with it. As I said, just mainly because of the ventilation issues. But I also have one actually inside my mini greenhouse on the allotment, and I'm able to just close that one up at night, and the double skin means that it's effectively stays frost free. So I mean, the outer skin is the glass of the greenhouse and the inner skin is the plastic. So at night, that's a really great way if you haven't got anywhere that's frost free and you need to keep your seedlings nice and safe. The problem I have with it is ventilation. So what do you basically, it's all open or all closed. So what I do is I just use the clip that I use to hold this up at the top when it's open. Use that clip to hold it down at the bottom there, and that means that the sides offer some ventilation. So if it's, you know, it's really cold or extremely windy but it's still sunny, then I have it like that, and I'm still getting plenty of ventilation through here whilst also providing some shelter from the wind. And obviously, as I say, it's just really simple, just a clip at the bottom. So that is basically it. Nothing to it really, but lots of requests for that one. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.